Welcome to another day with Aaron. Today we're going to event with Vice Cosmetics for their Vice Cosmetics All-Stars event in New GH Mall, San Juan. Bus ride from Laguna, baba ng Magallanes, Makati, sakay ng Magallanes MRT, and then going ahead to Santolan, Annapolis, and finally, I am here! Maglalakad lang ako from here going to New GH Mall. Magkatabi lang sila ng Green Hills Mall. So, ito na. Nandito na ako. Ganun kabilis. But, of course, before that, kailangan nating mag-retouch. So, it's time for another CR break. Pag nagsi-CR break ako, talagang nagre-retouch ako ng makeup, nagpapabango at nagbe-breath spray. Kasi kailangan yun. Ang daming tao yung nasa event. So, kailangan fresh ka. Onting retouch na rin ng lippy. I'm using the Vice Cosmetic Lip Fresca in Melon Magic. And now I am here at the event. Una kong ginawa is yung gumawa ng tote bag. And ang ganda nung nagawa ko, in fairness naman. I think magsa-start na yung program. Bethany Talbot as your host and the Master Jelly Eugenio showing us how you can use the palette. And of course, the ever-radiant Miss Nadine Lusre. Hindi ako nakalapit sa kanya for a picture but this is the best I can do. Ang fresh niya in person as in. And it's time for the All-Star Game. Ayan. Ang oras ko is 25 seconds. Medyo mabilis pero ang daming mabilis. Like, pasabog kayo. Time for photo booth and super favorite ko talaga nagfo-photo booth kasi meron kang may uuwing picture. Tara, kumain naman tayo ng yaw-yaw. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner. So, we go for yaw-yaw for dessert. And this is also my first time trying out yaw-yaw. You can find the video in my TikTok account. So, scroll-scroll ka lang dyan. And I can't wait for my next yaw-yaw experience. Kami na lang ni Ryong natira at naglakad lang kami going to MRT Santolan, Annapolis. But before that, of course, CR break tayo dito sa Jollibee. Medyo pagoda na yung gay kasi ang dami ko rin pala nung nadala after. But you know, I'm super happy to experience this kind of events. I am now with Ru. Nasa Santolan, Annapolis na kami. Yes, MRT lang going to One Ayala and after that, going home na tayo to Calamba because merong point-to-point bus there. Pasabog, di ba? And in Glorieta, finally going home. Thank you so much for this experience. That's it. Bye.